Hello, this is Lego Man here, and today I'm bringing back with another Minecraft tutorial video. And today we're doing something different. Instead of installing a Minecraft mod, we are going to be programming a Minecraft mod. Now, we are just going to be doing the basics, like a basic item, basic block, armor, all those. We probably won't get around to every single. We probably won't be able to get around to all of the basics, but at least a majority of them. So now, first let's get started. We are going to need to go to this page, which I'll leave a link to in the description. And these videos are going to be based off of 1.7.10 Forge. We're going to be using 1.7.10. If you want to use a older version, or if a new version has come out by the time that I upload this video, you could use that, but the code might be a little bit different. I don't want to use the latest one because it might have bugs, so I'm going to use the recommended version. You can use the latest one if you want, but I'm just going to use this one. You click on SRC for source code, and do it 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Skip ad. Now you'll see that it has downloaded a zip file. If you have a zip file or .rar file opener, like 7-zip or WinRAR, you just have to right click on the zip file and click open with File Explorer, and it says back to the default one. Now if I go into my downloads folder, downloads, and then I click, and if I type in zip, here is mine right here. You can you can keep this in this folder, but since mine's really cluttered, I'm just gonna keep mine on my desktop. You can keep it in this folder though. And if we right click on this and click extract all, extract. If we just close this for a second. And we're gonna rename this just so I can remember the name a little bit better. Minecraft tutorial mod. Here we go. Now we're going to need to right click on the home button, click run. We're going to need to type in cmd. And if you didn't take this out of your download folder, then just do cd downloads, cd downloads. And then you can look into this folder by doing CD and then whatever you named it. But since we are not in our downloads folder, we are on our desktop. So if we do CD desktop and CD not new Minecraft tutorial mod. Okay, now we are going to type in some commands. I have a notepad right here, with all my commands in it. The first one is going to be gradlew, however you want to say it, and setupDecompWorkspace. The first time running the commands, it will be a little slow, but after you do it a couple times, you're probably not going to do it a couple times, but I've done it many times, so it's a lot faster for me. Now I will skip ahead until the next command. Okay, so it looks like I typed in the command wrong. I'm just gonna copy and paste it. Okay, so I accidentally typed in the command wrong, and it said build failed. I will have the commands in the description, and I will be back once it's done. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like. And here's looks like what happened up here, right here where I had build failed. You might have typed it in wrong, but it most likely should show up like this. So the next command is gradlew Eclipse. I'm not sure if I said this already, but all the commands will be in the description. And I will be back once it's done. Okay, so this one only took 30 seconds about. And now the next command takes a little while. I'll leave this one in the description, and I will be back once this is done. Okay, so it looks like this one, as I said, takes a while. It took 6 minutes this time. So now that we have all these commands set up, the following things that we need is the folder that we extracted and did all the commands in. We are going to need Eclipse. I'm using Kelper. I recommend Kelper. If you have any other versions like Lunar or any of the others, they work as well, but the menus might look a little bit different and some other things might look a little bit different. But I'll leave a link as well as a picture tutorial thing in the description that can help you set it up. As well as we are going to need Java JDK 7. Java JDK 8 I've heard doesn't work sometimes, so I didn't want to take the risk. I just got Java JDK 7. Okay, so now if we run Eclipse, then we want for the menu to pop up. Okay, now if we click Browse, and if yours is in your Downloads folder, then you would go to your Downloads folder and look into that folder. But since mine is on my desktop, I think I'm in my desktop right here. And if I go into my tutorial mod, if I just put it in this folder, then if I run it, it will have nothing. So if I put it in the Eclipse folder and then click OK, now if I run it, it will work and show all the Minecraft stuff. Let's just wait. Hold on. Here we go. So now if we double click on the Minecraft package, double click on the source code main Java, the example mod is really bad. I do not recommend it. So we are just going to start from fresh. So if we right click on this folder, click new package, we'll make I'll make tutorial mod, this can mean anything, and .lib for library. Right click on this new package, com.tmod.main. Now if we right click on this package, make a new class. This one will be called refstrings. And now if we right click on this, once this loads, okay, new class. This one will be called main registry. Okay. So now if we go into refstrings, right underneath here we will make 3 lines. We'll make a public static final string. I'm just going to quickly copy all this because we're going to need it again. This one will be called mod ID, which is equal to, this one can have no spaces or caps, tutorial mod. You can name anything that you want. And then we'll do a name, which is equal to, this can have space and caps, space and caps. Tutorial mod. And this one will be called version, which is equal to 0.1 beta. Here we go. So now it all works in this part. So if we go to our main registry, instead of under here, up here we will be doing @mod ID is equal to refstrings.modID. And then name is equal to refstrings.name. And version is equal to refstrings.version. Now these all have errors because of this one. If you hover this, it will have an import error. The import error is just it doesn't know where it's located. So if you do Control-Shift-O, it is now is imported and it shows where it's located. Usually it will have this plus sign right here and it just shows all the imports because it gets pretty big. And you can keep it down, but it will really fill up like the page. So right under here, this is the last thing. We're not actually going to be using this. Public void init fml init iation event e, and then we do this. Probably did this wrong. Wait, right under here, on this line, we do at event handler. If I hover over this, yep, I spelled it wrong. So it's ization. Okay. Yep, I still spelled it wrong. I'm just gonna click right there, and it will give you an error if you spelled it right. And this also gives you an error. It's just an import error. If you do Control-Shift-O, it would see it actually has FMI whatever that is already imported. I'm not exactly sure why I did it. Just do Control-Shift-O and import. So now if I save this and if I run the game, I will show you what we have created. It's just a beginner step, as well as wait. Well, we don't really need that right now. Think about it. I don't really use that at all. So right under here, if this loads, come on, there we go. Now this is the only thing that we created. If you click on the mods tab, you see right here is our mod. We will change all this later, because like under here you see that there's like a bunch of different stuff that is different, and you will see that nothing's found right there. We can change that a little bit later on, and you'll see that now we have our name and our version. So that's basically it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will be doing crafting recipes and furnish recipes and all those. But thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please leave a like. And if you want to see more tutorials, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.